Just thought you might want to know, sales aren't up, they're down.
Ooh.
Yes, sir.
Dilbert, you'll work with Kenny the Sales Weasel on our biggest prospect.
So, D-Man, Dilberto, tell me all your product's technical specs on the way over. I'd like to be prepared.
Our product is beige.
Yeah.
It uses electricity.
Whoa. Brain overload.
Is this the October meet and mingle thing? Completely separate thing. Okay. Okie dokie.
I brought my egghead to talk to your egghead while you and I make out.
Our web services employ XML, SOAP, and WSDL to achieve interoperable HTTP modules. Do you ever think we might be in the wrong jobs?
I am not going to kiss you.
What's going on? They're looking for volunteers for a training seminar.
This way, come on!
Not another all-day session! Can't think of another training seminar! Can't think of another training seminar!
Sign out, please.
Because we're adding a little something to this month's sales contest. As you all know, first prize is a Cadillac Eldorado. Anybody want to see second prize? Second prize is a set of steak knives. Third prize is you're fired. Because only one thing counts in this life. Get them to sign on the line which is dotted. The money's out there. You pick it up, it's yours. You don't, I got no sympathy for you. You want to go out on those sits tonight and close, it's yours. Not, you're going to be shining my shoes.